Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on eBay on January 31st. As you can see on the screen, 19 orders on eBay, $182. On Hip I had one order for $16. So it's like 20 orders, $198, maybe $199. Let's go ahead and get started here. First, Lincoln, Nebraska, 1950s O Street View Shopping District. There's the old cars. There's all that. And there's the back. $7. I don't remember where I got that from. Valentine's Day, Cupid Arrows and Hearts Music Notes, circa 1912. I think this came in one of the dealer buyouts I did December 2019, 2019, geez. $5 for that one. Next, Shasta Springs Road, Thousand Wonders, South Pacific Railroad, that's in California. Very common view. First one of these views I've sold in a very long time. $7.19 for that card. I show that? Yeah, I showed the back. Next, Rahway, New Jersey, 1905 View Waterworks Dam. A little rough condition with some staining. 1905. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Almost look like fingerprints. Maybe it's ink or something. $6.99 for that card. Walt Disney World, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Closed Ride Magic Kingdom. If I find these for under $1, I will always pick them up. $7.99. That's about the going rate that I've been getting for them. It was a neat ride. Rode it one time back in the mid-'80s. This is Ware, Massachusetts, 1940s Main Street shopping area. $7 on a best offer. There's that. What is it? Coliotype? $7 for that street view. Next, Trevorton, Pennsylvania, Eagle Silk Mill, 1909. Took $17 on a best offer. There's that. Yeah, $17. Matthew Kirst, Halloween postcard, Cranky Cake. Limited edition for Popeyes Postcards. I got one left. Get it now. There's only 18 of those made. 18. Last one. $19.99. I think I took a best offer. I can't remember what. 17, 15, something like that. This is New Jersey, Ocean City, Boardwalk View, Copper Kettle Fudge. I always try to work in the keywords you see in the background that people might be interested in. $7, best offer. Tolchester Beach, Maryland, one of those beachy towns I believe I talked about. If I didn't talk about Tolchester Beach, I meant to put Tolchester Beach in. I'll put a link up here to the beach town bolos. $8.99 for this card. Paid 75 cents for this. Got it off that dealer who had passed away, and his family had all of his postcards in the antique mall down to 90% off. $8.99 for that card. Another Tolchester Beach, Maryland, miniature small railroad. Kind of redundant with a miniature and small. Probably other keywords I could have worked in. Oh no, because it's called small railroad. Okay, never mind. Same thing, same dealer. 85 cents I would have paid for that one. And I got $7.49 or $17.49. Another one of those World War II era cards. Humor card. Guy shaving the beard hair on his girl tattoo, or chest hair. And same buyer bought one of the ones with the shot into the arm. Still have a lot of these left. This is The Road by the Pond, Sussex Road, Tux Oilet. Artist signed A. Harry Payne. A. Harry Payne. There's that. And there's the Tux information on the back. $7.99 for that card. Next, Michigan. This is a large letter greetings from Michigan. Should have put in the Upper Peninsula vintage linen. I should have put in Upper Peninsula instead of vintage linen. $6.99 for that card. Probably a buck or two more than they usually go for. Brooklyn, New York, Jehovah's Witnesses Watchtower Printing Plant. There's that. $4.99. Poland Spring. Double. Hotels, golf course, $3.50 on a best offer. 1950s golf carts, kind of cool. Had this for quite a while, so glad to get $3.50 for it. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, Cliff Arquette's Soldiers Museum. I imagine that's Cliff right there. Or is that Cliff? Looks like, oh, who's he look like? Mr. McFeely. Took some searching in my mind, but yeah, it kind of looks like Mr. McFeely a little bit. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd Mr. McFeely go? Crap. There he is. Yeah, kind of looks like him. Next, Fort Worth, Texas, Continental Trailways bus station. This came in the auction purchase from just this past August of 2021. Person bought 4 of those for, I think it was $4 each on a best offer, so $16 for 4 cards that cost me pennies. Alaska Husky, RPPC, real photo. Postcard, Robinson, real photo. There's a puppers. There's that. $6 on a best offer. And then last, over on HIP, my 1 postcard allotment for the week that sold, I guess. Gravesville, New York, Trout Brook Inn Frog Leg Dinner. Yummers. Never had frog legs. Probably tastes like chicken. So, okay, that's it. Got to go finish unloading the truck. And hopefully I'll have that done. Well, not hopefully. I have to have that done today. Should only hopefully take a couple more hours. And then start listing the aviation cards. Okay. As always, I thank you for watching. Have a good day.